fun. So we're supposed to be setting up to do some headshots of Cam, and we have a zip line running across. What do you call this thing?
It's the Y-roll light.
Y-roll light.
Y-roll.
Y-roll light. Basically, you got it boogied up here, and we got some bump stops here so it doesn't go and smash. Oh, there it is. Yeah. Or hit me in the face. And yeah. We're gonna start doing that. I'm gonna introduce you to Cam. You're not even gonna hear this part. But yeah, here's Cam.
Yeah, hey everyone.
This is Cam.
I'm Cam.
Cam's channel is right here.
Right there.
Right here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There you go. I'm also trying to turn this into sport mode here and I can't. I forget. But
We're almost ready.
almost there.
Godox, ready to go. Crazy wingnut thing flying over the room. Black Magic Pocket Cinema. But we're gonna get underway pretty quick here and hopefully be able to show you some dashing headshots of Mr. Cameron SLUSAR.
Yeah, there you go. SLUSAR or something like that. There's an I or something in there. I've heard that before. SLUSAR. It was SLUSAR Chuck. And so they chucked the Chuck when they immigrated.
Chucked LeChuck. While we get set up here, it's a good time to show you our sponsor for this video, which is Bubbly Sparkling Water Beverage. No calories, no sweeteners, all smiles. Perfect for headshots. What's so funny, SLUSAR?
Yeah.
Like that?
That's exactly how you spell my name. Yeah.
You click OK on this create album.
Mm-hmm.
Boom. Now we're in.
Boom in there. Fun fact, I actually did the commercial for Bubbly. So, no, I didn't. I just did part of the artwork for it.
Weird flex, but okay.
Weird flex, but okay.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, and I realized there's a second camera right there.
Look at that.
Yeah, you know, for Chris's vlog, I forgot about that.
Forgot that I broke this memory card right here. Okay.
Let's look at the earlier ones first. Yeah,
Okay.
Just gonna go through those. I actually thought about getting an iPad for
Christmas?
for Christmas. Yeah, for Christmas. It would have been nice. Thanks, parents. Anyways.
Why did you just assume that the parents would be the ones getting it?
I know, right? I got this jacket for my birthday. The jacket I'm wearing in this.
Nice.
Shots. It was an early birthday gift. I like this one. This one's really funny.
Yeah.
It's kind of like a
let's show them that one.
funny
here.
thing.
Oh,
yeah.
there
Look at that
go.
face. It almost
This
looks
is
a
what he
little
is.
too
He's like
confused. Like if somebody was to like look at that on a website or like just as a profile thing, they'd probably just be like, this guy has no idea what he's doing.
He just doesn't know.
No,
he doesn't know.
He didn't even know he was taking a photo
This
today.
guy's name is Nathan, for sure.
Nathan.
Yeah.
This guy, Nathan over here, he's like, what? Sorry, what? We asked him to pose and he's like, oh, sorry, huh? I like that. Like
Yeah.
even if you were to like that looks
It's
so
just a good shot. Yeah.
I like
sharp.
that.
Super sharp. It's so sharp.
Super sharp.
It's so sharp.
Oh, it's so sharp.
Look at how sharp that one is.
Yeah, it's so sharp.
That is it sharp?
It's very sharp. You can cut this video with that. I don't like smiling in photos as much. I find it a little bit goofy.
It really depends on what you're trying to convey in the photo, because to me, a headshot, like, first of all, you have a great smile, so let's just get that out of the way.
All right.
I'm sure you guys all agree. Drop a comment below if you agree. When you're smiling, like, immediately you're like, oh, that person's smiling. But if you look at a photo of somebody smiling long enough, it's actually a little bit insanity. You start looking at it and you're looking and it's literally somebody like...
Yeah. It's a creepy smile
Like,
the whole time.
Do you want to look at that? Do you want to look at that? This one looks like you got kneed in the nuts about 15 minutes ago. 14 minutes and 37 seconds.
The pain is still there.
Yeah.
I was gonna say stock photo. Like it looks like one of those Pond 5. Like,
yeah, like I'm looking looking for the watermark that's going straight across the screen.
It's Shutterstock. It's Thor. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's the Thor meme. This is definitely like a new YouTube video right
You'll
there.
never believe how I earned $70,000 in one YouTube video.
Exactly.
Sponsored by Bubbly.
This looks like, this here looks like the interrogation.
Like all you need is the handcuffs with the cigarette. Like,
it's like the handcuffs on the table kind
really
of thing.
think I would tell you. You're leaning a little bit hard into your hand.
Yeah.
This is the other thing, like why I was saying loosen.
Yeah.
Because then you don't get the like your face going over top.
Your face looks like a clay face at that point. Yeah.
Yeah. This one you kind of have like a more scrawny Daniel Craig look.
Daniel Craig look. What is with all these celebrities that you're like pulling out of your hat, going like, oh yeah, it's like me.
Yo man, I've got
Daniel Craig. Yeah.
That's a sick shot.
Yep, I agree
So
with that.
both of those actually.
100%.
That might be a candidate for my favorite.
Look at this. Look at this. Look at this cheeky look right there. You see that?
This one you should probably just have.
This is kind of a funny one actually. It's
Yeah.
like why are my
It's almost
I'm
like
just
you
like-
should be like eyes.
like cropping this in, or I see what you mean by this one though. Like,
It's got like a.
except my tongue's doing something weird in that one. You see that?
It's like GQ. It's like GQ top 5 things in a man bag. All right, Cam. Well, that was a lot of fun. Yeah. Well, I guess I'll have those photos to you, and we'll do this again.
Yeah, man.
Maybe do this again. Yeah.
Maybe do this again.
Yeah.
Maybe do this again. No, it was good, dude.
Yeah.
I like them. They looked great, and I'm excited to see them when they're done.
Sweet. Remember to subscribe to Cam's. Oh, there we go. It is full. What I was saying was, remember to subscribe to Cam's channel and smash that like button below. Do all those things. It's all good. It's all good. It's all good. Love you guys. Catch you later.